This guide will walk you through how to configure a Docusign template to use a data verification extension app. Note that all values, email addresses, keys, secrets, tokens, and other personal information you might see are for demo purposes only and have been deleted or revoked. This is a technical demo showcasing how to use the data verification reference implementation to create a custom verification field in a Docusign template configured to use a data verification extension app. The project files for the reference implementation can be found on GitHub at the link in the description of this video. There are 6 example manifests included in the reference implementation project files, each corresponding to a different data verification type. This demo will focus on email verification. At this point, you have downloaded, set up, and are running the reference implementation locally, and you have uploaded your manifest to the Docusign Developer Console as an extension app. Navigate to the Home tab in your developer account using the link in the description of this video and select Start. Select Envelope Templates, then select Create a Template. Fill in a template name and add a description. Then, upload a document to be used in the template. You will add an email verification field to this document later on. Add a recipient to the template. For this demo, you will add a recipient with the role of signer. Select Next to configure the document fields. To add a field for email verification, select Custom Fields in the left navigation bar. Select the Verification drop-down. Here you will see a list of all the data verification fields that are compatible with extension apps. Select Email Address and drag the field onto the document. To configure this field to use the Email Verification extension app, select Data Verification in the right navigation bar. Make sure that the name in the extension app drop-down matches the name for your data verification extension app that you defined in your manifest. In the Select Connection drop-down, make sure that the name corresponds to the name of your connection object in the manifest. Select Save and Close now that your document has been correctly configured to use a data verification extension app. You should be able to see your new template on the Templates tab in your developer account. This concludes the demo on how to configure a Docusign template to use a data verification extension app. Thanks for watching.